Namaste everyone, I hope you're well. Today I want to talk to you about Reiki boxes. How to use them, how they work, and how you can fit them into your daily Reiki practice. And even if you're not a Reiki person, how you can fit them into your regular mindfulness practice, your meditation practice, whatever it is that you do to stay spiritually connected. So, a Reiki box. It is so simple. Get a box, write down all the people, places, things, situations that you wish to send Reiki to, and then pop them into your box. So it can be, if you have a lot of Reiki requests, people wanting distance Reiki, you can write down their names and pop them in there. If there are some particular places and situations in the world that you would like to regularly send Reiki for their healing, pop them in here. If you are perhaps working on your financial situation, you want to send some energy to money flow, pop down your money goals, pop down the things that you are struggling with financially, the energies and maybe the mindsets that you're trying to work on, pop them in here. Anything that can benefit from Reiki, and as you know, everything can benefit from Reiki, just pop them in here. And then when you sit down to do your Reiki or your meditation practice, do whatever it is that you do to bring yourself into that place where you are calm, collected, centered, and channeling the energy, and then channel the energy to the box. I send Reiki, you might say something like, sending Reiki to the people, the places, and the situations that are contained within this box for the highest good and the good of everyone involved. Do that every single day, and then just watch things change. If it's a personal thing, watch that situation change. Just make it part of your daily practice. Now, if you're not a Reiki person, you can do the same thing. Put down all the things there that need changing, that need positive energy. And then as you meditate, or whatever it is that you do, just take a few moments every day to send your love, your positive visualizations, your positive thoughts and vibes to the things in this box. Now, if you think that sounds woo-woo, let me explain it to you like this. We know that everything is energy, right? So as an example, let's take this little pink princess. So if I were to sit here every day for 2 weeks and just send spiteful, horrible thoughts, which I will never do, I'll never do that. But if I were to do that for 2 weeks, this plant would start looking a little worse for wear. I think you can agree with me on that, right? If you spend, think of it as yourself. If somebody is just sending you wicked thoughts all the time, horrible, horrible thoughts, you feel that, you sense that, and you start feeling bad around that person, right? So if I'm to reverse that, if I'm just to send beautiful, positive, loving thoughts to this plant, if I'm to say, oh, I love your beautiful pink leaves, please keep growing and sharing your beauty with me, you're such a gorgeous thing, that plant is going to feel that love and the vibes and grow. It works. We know it works. I don't need to really go on about that much more, do I? And yes, I do talk to my plant every day in a positive way. So that is exactly the same thing as sending positive energy, positive vibes to whatever you've put into your box. The energy of those things, because everything is energy, will pick up on it, they will vibrate to it, and things will change. So give that a go. It really is that simple. Spiritual concepts, we love to make them difficult and, put stuff on them that doesn't need to be there. It's really simple to change your mindset, to send positive energy, to send Reiki. If you're the sort of person who has lots and lots of Reiki requests and lots of things that you want to send Reiki to, or you're really busy and you don't have time to sit there for an hour, make it simple. Put it all in a box, and every day for 2 minutes, Send positive Reiki, send positive vibes and positive energy to all the things that you want to. Simple. Namaste.